Welcome to Interactive Short Locator Overview for Physical Verification System. In next few minutes through this video demo you would learn how to find shorts in the layout design using PVS Interactive Short Locator. This is designed to help new users learn and use LVS Shorts debugging feature more effectively. This video may have been recorded before minor changes were made to the product user interface that it is illustrating, or it may be based on an earlier release of the product. In either instance, the features and workflows described in this video are still applicable to the current release of the product. This video covers the following module from PVS Interactive Short Locator Application Rack. Finding shorts using the Interactive Short Locator. This particular video on finding shorts using the Interactive Short Locator is part of video series on the PVS Interactive Short Locator Application Rack. The full video series covers the following two modules. Now we would start with Module 1, Finding Shorts using the Interactive Short Locator. A sample design PLL 250 MHz from the library Ether is used to learn and execute the Interactive Short Locator for finding shorts. Click on the PVS menu and then click on Run ERC to bring up the ERC form. The ERC Run Submission form appears. Specify the run directory. Now go to Rules tab. Add the rules file. Then switch to Input tab. Add the top cell, and the layout view. Click on Submit to start the run. When the run finishes and shows the dialog box, click Yes to start the LVS debug window. Note: select the checkbox Do Not Show this window again, if you want to bring up the LVS debug window automatically. The LVS DE window appears showing the Shorts tab. At the stage only in a tab is active. It is because of Interactive Short Locator is not initialized yet. Double-click on NetCLK 25 MHz to start Interactive Short Locator. The Interactive Short Locator initializes and switches to Results tab. Results panel shows two branches, namely LVS Find Shorts and Interactive. Click on Interactive branch. Interactive branch contains results of Interactive Short Locator. First run is completed automatically right after initialization. Click on Path 1 in an Interactive branch and then click on plus next to Path 1. Icons 1 to 11 are shapes of the path between shorted label CLK 25 MHz and VDD. Layer column shows layer name of each shape. Each icon is colored in accordance of the net it belongs to. Shape 1 belongs to net CLK 25 MHz, because the label CLK 25 MHz is attached to this shape. All shapes which belong to the net CLK 25 MHz are colored as green. Similarly, shape 11 belongs to net VDD, as the label VDD is attached to this shape. All shapes which belongs to the net VDD are colored as yellow. Other shapes are unknown area and colored as gray. In the layout window, the full path between label CLK 25 MHz and VDD are shown in yellow line. Note: in your case path color may be different. To set colors, use Options Edit Options of Interactive Short Locator menu. Click on the first shape to see it in the layout window. Shape 1 is zoomed in the layout window. Similarly, you can run through all the shapes of the path and investigate results to find shorts. Go to Labels tab. This tab shows labels for the problematic net which happen CLK 25 MHz, VDD and VSS. Go to Results tab again. Click on Path 1. CLK 25 MHz, VDD. See the first path highlight. Click on Path 2. CLK 25 MHz, VSS. See the next path highlight. Click on Path 3. CLK 25 MHz, VDD. See the next path highlight. Notice that there is a common segment which appears in all these paths. In addition to Path 1, Path 2, Path 3, you can find Common Shapes branch. Click on Common Shapes. This branch shows a segment that is common to all the paths. You can go directly to view the common shapes when you are debugging shorts in your design. Note, in the Path 1 to Path 3 you can see asterisk symbols along with some shape number, *01*. This means that shape of the selected path is part of Common Shapes branch. The common shapes are the key output from the interactive short locator. They narrow the shorted paths down to what is common between multiple shorted texts. This is very useful when there are multiple ground and power text labels and you want to find which set of shapes are common to all the paths between these labels. If shape has label attached on it, then it is shown with specific color and label. See Shape 6. Click on each shape in the tree to traverse each shape of the short. As you click, the current shape in the list of shapes highlights. As you traverse the shapes, you can see that there is a contact between metal 2 con and the metal 3 con that is the cause of this short. You can now do a what-if analysis to see what would happen if you remove the contact. We can do this not by physically editing the layout, but by removing the shape virtually, by marking it as short from the list of common shapes. This will be covered in the Module 2 of this interactive short locator rack video series. This video covered Initializing short locator, results of interactive short locator in an interactive branch, different paths of interactive branch, common shapes, the key output from the interactive short locator, colors of shapes based on that it belongs to, traversing each shape of the common shapes to find short. For more information about this topic, see the PVS user guide.